Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Claypot seafood rice. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to cook our rice. I have with me inside this clay pot 3 cups of rice. This is the cup that comes with the rice cooker. Now if you do not have a clay pot, you can use your wok, your pan or even your rice cooker. Alright, no problem at all. We'll add in 3 cups of water, exactly the same cup that you use to measure the rice with. And I have with me over here 20 grams of dried scallops, which I've soaked in the 3 cups of water. You need to soak this for approximately 1 hour or so. And then you use your fork to shred it like this. Just pour everything in. This will give this dish the natural sweetness. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in also 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can always use soy sauce, light soy sauce, no problem at all. Add in also 1 thumb size of ginger, chopped finely like this. Put everything in, mix it up well. Now, this is a very simple 1-pot dish and it's very, very delicious. I've not turned on the heat yet, I just want to mix them up like this. Okay. Put the lid on and we'll turn on the flame to medium heat. I will add in my seafood when I see steam rising up from my clay pot. Do exactly the same if you are using a pan or your rice cooker. I'll see you back in a while. As you can see, steam is rising up from the pot. So I just open up the lid. I'll add in my seafood. I have with me over here 100 grams of fresh scallops, which I've halved it, and 200 grams of shelless prawn, which I've deveined also. Just put them in, slide them in like this. I have with me also some beautiful clams. This is approximately 280 grams. Just slide them in too. You can always add in whatever seafood that you like, no problem at all. We'll add a dash of black pepper. Just some black pepper on top. Add in also 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine. If you do not take alcohol, then don't put this in, it's fine, no problem. But this will actually give a very nice flavor and fragrance to this dish. After this is done, put on the cover and we'll cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, smells really, really, really good. Now we'll pour in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Just drizzle it over like this, will be fine. Add in a bunch of coriander and 1 or 2 stalks of spring onion. Put the lid back on, turn off the flame, and we'll serve this in a minute's time. So we are done cooking, but due to some technical issue with the audio, I will not be eating together with you in this video. But I do hope that you like this video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.